Alright, y'all, and we are back with another one. We're making, what are we making, babe?
Hood.
Milkshakes.
Because we don't want to use the blender.
We can't use the blender right now, y'all, because it's like almost 2 in the morning, and the fam is asleep. Anyway,
So we
I
count
put
tacos.
some ice cream in a bowl, and then I put some hot water because we got to get it to, like, melt a little bit. So, I'm going to put it in here. And then I'm gonna let this melt down a little bit.
But just throw it on the barbecue.
No. What? No.
Bubba, what?
Put it in here so it can melt down a little bit, y'all. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it, but
Hood remedies.
I need it to melt down a little bit.
It's starting. You need a better chance of
Oh yeah, it's already starting to melt at the bottom. Damn, I'm good. I'm that damn good. Alright, so then we're gonna take... Oh, we want to take the meat masher?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Looks like a meat masher.
We're
Make
gonna
it
take the
shake.
meat masher
Look at our pup.
and start mashing down the ice cream. I ain't breaking the bowls and everything. Nah, it's actually working though. The hot water is working.
If you put that and put the milk in at the same time?
Nah, because it has to be melted.
First?
Yeah.
All the way? Welcome to the hood.
Alright, y'all. So,
Y'all.
got the ice cream back in the hot water.
Y'all don't take it literally when we say.
We're doing this because we can't use the
Milkshake.
blender.
Okay, it's just called another resourceful item. And just do what we got to do.
Now we're gonna mix it back up. We got it. See what we can.
A bucket of what, Bubba? Man, get back. That kid's over there eating tacos.
Slowly but surely
We're gonna get there.
melting down. We might need the Grinch to come over here and come over here and mix this down.
Him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So I'll switch you out. You want me to?
Alright, y'all.
Hey, Bubba,
Slowly
go
but
get the
surely.
ice cube so we can show them what Buddy does.
No, that's gonna be a whole nother video.
Oh. Yeah. There we go. Get in there. Yeah, yeah. Get in there.
Boy, get back. He said to
The
use the
pizza cutter?
Yeah, it should work.
What are we cutting up? Piece of cookie?
Hey, some cookie dough sounds fine.
Go eat some. There's some in there. Just be careful. Don't eat a lot.
Now you talking about that stuff.
Alright, y'all. Now that we got it like that, a little melted down, we're gonna pour in the milk. Bada bing.
Bada bang.
Let's get to mixing.
Yeah, buckers. You know, if y'all need some ideals, we got you. Why is leaky in her water? I'm gonna put that back in the water for a second, guys. That's that A1 steak sauce melting.
Get back. Alright, y'all. We put
Bubbles
it back in the
tacos.
hot water. It's starting to melt.
Oh, yeah.
The water's starting to melt.
No, we put it back in the water. Get out of here. That's not what I
I
said.
mean, it's starting to evaporate.
Yeah. How'd you know?
Yeah.
Mix it. Keep mixing.
How y'all like y'all shakes? Runny or thick?
I
little
don't
bit
like
of-
mine too runny.
I don't like mine's too thick.
Yeah.
Like mine's just right.
Like
Yeah.
mine extra thick.
That's why you don't get that out of your McDonald's once the machine always broke.
A little milk.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Yeah. We are
Alright.
showing y'all how to make
Hood milkshakes.
okay hood milkshakes.
Alright. Churn the butter.
What it tastes like.
Go. Hey, let's make a.
Hold on. Hold on.
Got the good milkshakes. Go.
Hold on.
Pick it up.
Hold
Hey,
on. Wait a minute. It's
Go.
almost 2
Go.
a.m. in the morning. We
What?
here making hood milkshakes. We can't use the button because everybody sleep. Unless you want to wake them up and get yelled at. Hood milkshakes.
Go. Go.
Hood
Hood
milkshakes.
milkshakes. Go. Go.
You don't go see this
Bro, I
and
just
crack
got a
up.
cream spam.
Alright, y'all. The milkshakes are almost done.
Boy, he killing me.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
Hey.
We got the meat masher for a reason. You gotta mash it down, y'all. Mash it down. There
Yeah.
we go. There we go. Let's see if it's the consistency. Oh, it is. And there we go. Now, it gets more hood, y'all. We're using the ice cream cups as our cups. Woo! As our milkshake glasses. So,
I'm going to just let you do your thing.
okay. There we go. There we go.
Book us for some hood milkshakes.
Bon appetit.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy our entertainment.
Hold on. Go ahead and pour me some, bro.
Oh, you want some on the plate, bro?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, okay,
Yeah, go
okay,
ahead and pour me
okay.
some, man.
hey, you know how we
Don't that
do.
shit.
Oh, there you go. You said some. You didn't say how much.
He told me don't actually do it. There you go. All right, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing.
Share with your friends.
You know?
And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Peace.